Hey guys, this is our new letter for today. This is the letter J, capital J, lowercase j. J says J, J. So I'm going to use our story to help us remember the J, J sound. Kendra was in the kitchen. She was trying to open a jar. And so she said, if I could J, 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 get this jar open, because J says J, J for jar. If I can just get this jar open. Uh-oh, she got it open and now she's stuck in the jelly. All right, so if I could just get this jar open. All right, so things that start with the j sound. Jesus, that's my favorite thing in the whole world. Jello, jelly, and jelly bean. Just a few things. So to write the letter J, you're going to do from the top of the line to the red line. You're going to do a monkey tail, but it does not hang in the basement. It's a monkey tail that goes from the upstairs to the downstairs. Miss Hendry can't get her words out. And then the lowercase j is going to be under the dotted line. That's going to have a monkey tail in the basement with a dot in the upstairs. So big monkey tail above the basement. Lowercase is a monkey tail that hangs in the basement with a dot. All right. Bye, guys.